I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm excited. I have not done anything to my hair for like a long time. And maybe I'm gonna look younger, I'm not sure. I'm curious to see how it's gonna be. Hi, I'm Thais, and today I'm gonna get the Dua Lipa inspired two-tone look. Before you see my transformation, subscribe below. I want this look today because I have not done anything to my hair for like a long time. The celebrities that inspire me to do this look today, it's Dua Lipa and Brittany Xavier. I actually have this type of hair when I was like 17. So now, 12 years later, like I wanna see how this is gonna look on me, if I'm gonna look young or I don't know how it's gonna feel.
Hi, I'm Del Miller and I'm Master Colorist at Spoken Wheel, Los Angeles. Working in the conditions that 2020 has brought to us, it's been a challenge for sure, but also it's really brought kind of this sense of problem solving. When we are working back in the salons, it's 100% safe. And this is making sure that we put those practices into place.
Natural hair is like a mix of afro, curly, and straight. Maybe it's because my father is black, my mom is white. I grew up in Brazil. Back home, I used to change my hair a lot because I had my mom. She used to help me all the time. And since I moved to America about 4 years ago, I have not changed that much because it's too complicated to keep up with. But now I'm like ready for some change.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Victoria. I'm a cut specialist here at Spoken Wheel, LA, and also a haircutting and styling educator. Thais loves her length, so I wanted to respect that. We wanted to give her a really fresh, clean line on her ends. She's growing out some bangs, so I just did a little blending just to diffuse the bangs into the side. Keep it simple.
First with Thais, I want to make sure that I isolate where I want to add the block coloring. So I'm going to pre-section those areas before I apply the color. Next, I want to take small slices just to get even saturation through the hair with the enlightener. This is to make sure that I get even blonding and so that when I go to tone it later, that I'll have an even saturation then too. Once I have all the block area colored and isolated, I'm going to begin in the back where I'm going to add a glossing formula that's going to richen and deepen her tones. I start out by first applying the color to the root area. This is to make sure that I get even saturation and nice richness at the base color. Next, I'm going to pull through each of the sections, making sure that I saturate all the way through the color. Some variations that you can do with this is you can leave some areas out if you want to add a little bit of dimension. It's really up to you. So have fun and make sure that you play around with the color. When we did this look for Brittany Xavier, it was one of those things, it was like, great, this will be really fun. I think people will see it and like it, but I didn't necessarily know that people would want to come in and it would have so much buzz. There has been a lot of people who've reached out that have really, really liked it and have been nervous about taking those steps, but then also a lot of people who've been really excited about coming in and seeing if this is a color that will work for them. Finally, I want to make sure that I tone all of the block area. We have a little bit of warmth in there that we just want to neutralize. We don't necessarily want to take it ashy, but we want to make sure that it's nice, neutral, vanilla color. I'm going to take a small spoolie and add a little bit of a root dim. This is going to make sure that the hair grows out nice and even. Hair to me really means a new media of art. It's an installation that's commissioned that people get to walk around and show kind of my passion. It's such a fun and cool industry to be a part of, and I love that it impacts people every single day. Ready to see the big reveal?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa!
What do you think?
Wow, so cool! When I saw myself in the mirror for the first time, I was not shocked. I don't know. I was like, whoa, that's good. That looks me. It's not exactly like Dua Lipa. It's like their inspiration, but on me. I was afraid to look too young. You know, I already have like a young face. But actually, I feel more mature, has like a little fun attitude. I think if you are hoping to change just a little bit your hair, that is perfect. Thank you for watching Refinery29. If you wanna see more videos, click here, and if you wanna subscribe, here.